Highway surveyors play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of road infrastructure. In the case of Kotla Mubarakpur, a small town in Delhi, the work of highway surveyors becomes even more significant due to the increasing traffic congestion and the need for efficient road design. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys, collecting data, and analyzing it to determine the best course of action for the improvement of highways in Kotla Mubarakpur. One of the key tasks of highway surveyors in Kotla Mubarakpur is to conduct detailed surveys of the existing road network. By gathering accurate data through these surveys, highway surveyors can identify areas that require immediate attention and propose appropriate solutions. In addition to conducting surveys, highway surveyors in Kotla Mubarakpur also play a vital role in designing new road infrastructure. This includes determining the optimal alignment and layout of highways to ensure maximum efficiency and safety. By considering factors such as traffic volume, speed limits, and environmental impacts, these professionals are able to create designs that cater to the specific needs of Kotla Mubarakpur. SCON Design, a prominent design firm based in Delhi, has been at the forefront of highway design projects in Kotla Mubarakpur. With their expertise and experience in transportation engineering, SCON Design has successfully implemented innovative solutions to improve the road network in this area. By collaborating with highway surveyors, they have been able to create designs that not only address current issues but also anticipate future growth and development. The collaboration between highway surveyors and SCON Design has resulted in several successful projects in Kotla Mubarakpur. For instance, the construction of a new flyover at a major intersection has significantly reduced traffic congestion and improved travel times for commuters. Additionally, the widening of certain roads and installation of traffic signals have enhanced safety and efficiency on these routes. To ensure the effectiveness of their work, highway surveyors continuously monitor and evaluate the performance of the road infrastructure in Kotla Mubarakpur. This includes conducting regular inspections and collecting data on traffic flow, road conditions, and any potential issues that may arise. By doing so, they can identify areas that require maintenance or further improvement, allowing for timely interventions and cost-effective solutions. In conclusion, highway surveyors in Kotla Mubarakpur play a vital role in ensuring the efficient functioning of road infrastructure. Through their surveys and designs, they contribute to reducing traffic congestion, improving safety, and enhancing travel experiences for residents and commuters alike. Highway surveyors in Kotla Mubarakpur play a crucial role in the planning and development of transportation infrastructure in the region. Their expertise lies in conducting surveys and gathering data to ensure the efficient and safe design of highways. These professionals are responsible for measuring and mapping the land, determining the best routes, and identifying potential obstacles or challenges that may impact the construction process. Kotla Mubarakpur, a small town located in the state of Delhi, relies heavily on its transportation infrastructure to enable the smooth movement of goods and people. Highway surveyors in this area are well versed in the specific needs and requirements of the region, considering factors such as population density, existing road networks, and environmental considerations. By conducting surveys and analyzing data, they can make informed decisions regarding the design and construction of highways